Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, I hope you're having a great day today. If you just stumbled upon my channel, I am Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today's video, I just would like to show off two things. And one is, I don't know, like if you are new, you probably don't know, but I am the owner of Adoring Doll Clothes. And I design doll clothes patterns for the 14.5 inch dolls and the 18-inch dolls. I just recently put out the pattern for this little doll right here. And this outfit I designed to fit the 14.5 inch dolls, you know, like the Welly Wisher dolls, that type of doll. Well, they will also fit this doll that I've created. So if you have not seen this pattern for this doll, I will leave the link below and you can go check out this pattern to make this doll. And then you can also go to my adoringdollclothes.com and you can check out all my patterns for the 14 and 14.5 inch dolls, and they will all fit this doll right here. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. It's just a nice floppy doll. Now on this pattern, I make it to where the hair is interchangeable, so the wig does come off, and you can, if you don't like that because it's for a younger child, then you just seam the hair on is all you got to do, and the hair won't come off. But as of right now, I made it to where it comes off like that, so that you can interchange it with other hairstyles. Okay, so I was going to show you what my latest creation is for the 18-inch dolls. So here she is. Right here, I made some French boots, a little French purse, right here, a striped sweater, a pullover, and then on the back it's just a solid pink. So yeah, and this opens up and you can actually put stuff inside there. So yeah, this is available today on adoringdollclothes.com. If you are a newsletter subscriber, then you will get a coupon for 20% off that's good for 7 days. Now we'll also have this in my Etsy shop as well, and it's Adoring Doll Clothes, and the same coupon works for Etsy as well as on my website. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this new pattern. I'm pretty excited about it. I actually saw this outfit on in the AG catalog, and I was like, that is beautiful, I want to make that. And so I created my version of what I saw in the catalog. Except I don't know about their backside. I made my backside solid pink, but I don't know, you know, what their backside looked like. I don't know. But yeah, so there she is. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that doll pattern. I'm really excited about that one. I just think it's so pretty. So the next thing is I got some Happy Mail. Woo! I'm so excited. This is from Cassie, Crafty Cassie. Now she has a store. It's not Etsy, but it's called Store Envy. You go to storeenvy.com and you just type in Crafty Cassie if you want to see what types of yarns and stuff she has in her store. She does have Instagram, and she does have a YouTube channel. Now she is working on getting some updated YouTube videos up, but right now when I looked, they were like 7 years or older, but there's still no reason why you shouldn't go and check her out, because she is going to be putting out some new ones. And so Cassie, I'm looking forward to seeing your new videos that you put out, especially showing off the yarns that you have in your Store Envy shop. You really need to do that, girl. You need to put those out there so that people know what types of yarns you have. And it'd be really cool if you took some of your own yarns that you dyed and made something with, you know, some of it. So to give us an idea how some of these hanks work up and the different colors and stuff that you created. So because you're a very talented crocheter. So I saw a few of your videos. All right, let's go ahead and see. So I did receive this pink bag in the mail. And in that bag was a cute little card. She also sent some stitch markers. And guys, these are beautiful. Look at this. Aren't they just beautiful? Let's see if I can spread them out. There you go. There we go. Aren't they beautiful? And they're shiny. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm looking forward to that, Cassie. That is pretty cool. And here is like her logo, and it's like holographic. Isn't that cool? It's a mercat with a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. I think that's the crochet hook right there. But this is beautiful. I love this. And she has the same logo right here. And she makes hand-dyed yarns. And they are very pretty. Let me see. I thought maybe her website would be on here. It says yarns, bags, and more. Yes, I did see a couple of yarn bags in there. Let's see. I was going to... So I guess if you go to Store Envy, you will see it's Crafty Cassie. You just go to Store Envy, and in the search bar, type in Crafty Cassie. And how you spell that is CRAFTYCASSI. And I will put that below here. So let's see what yarn she gave me. This is called Rubber Ducky Time. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It has turquoise colors in it. Guys, I just think this is beautiful. It is 100% superwash merino wool, DK weight, 246 yards. And look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So, Rubber Ducky Time. I just think that's so cool. So, I'm going to open this hank up and see. I'm going to untwist this. Boy, you hang these up really good, Cassie. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. And it feels good. It really does. Yeah, I like this. I love how you put the turquoise in here, too. That is really cool. Let's see if I can find the center of this. There we go. Look at that, guys. Yep, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Yes, here it is up close. Let's see if you can see it a little better. All right. Well, I'm looking forward to making something with this. This is just, I'm curious to see how this is going to work up. So guys, I will post another video of a finished object with this because it's just beautiful. I don't know. I may end up doing a poncho from Bag O' Day, but I don't know because it is wool. So, or how much wool is in it? It's 100% superwash merino wool. So, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. I don't want a hat necessarily. A scarf would be great. Be cool if I could do a scarf and a hat. Because I like hats to match my scarves. But I don't really wear too many hats by themselves. But anyway, this would look good with a pair of blue jeans. Ooh, they look real good with some blue jeans. Look, and then also if I wanted to wear some, but I think that's more of an olive green type color. I thought it was kind of black, but it's really not. It's shades of green, but it does get kind of like taupey looking down here. But this, I don't know if it's showing up in the camera, but that is like green. So you can see it's green here, but then it's like that dark olive green right here. I just don't know if that shows it. And then it kind of comes taupey right there. But yeah, I'm excited about this. Oh, and that yellow cardigan that I made. This will look great with that cardigan. Talking about that, not to change the subject or anything, but I designed this pattern right here, and I will leave the link below if you like this cardigan that I'm wearing. Right here. You can just go, I will leave the link in the description box below. I'm not sure, I'll try to leave it up here for you guys. But yeah, so okay, now that we got to see this happy mail from Cassie, thank you so much, Cassie. Guess what? She actually sent me an extra set of all of this to have a giveaway with. So, looky there. Someone is going to win this. Now, this is open to the U.S. only. Sorry, worldwiders. But shipping's outrageous right now. I mean, but she sent this right here. So this will be going to one lucky subscriber. And you will also get this cool little hologram sticker. And you have a set of these beautiful, shiny stitch markers as well. They're just gorgeous. And I love that she has her stitch markers to reflect her overall look. You have good, what would you call that, Cassie? Packaging, whatever, where everything kind of goes together and matches. You've done really well with that. It's just beautiful. I really hope you do well in this. But so back to the giveaway. This is exciting. So yeah, so someone will win all these right here, one lucky subscriber. And all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel. And I'm sure Cassie would love it if you would go over and subscribe to her. And maybe that will help motivate her if she gets all these new subscribers. Maybe that will help motivate her to start getting some videos out there. And yeah, go to her store, Envy. Check out her yarns. Now, like I said, this is beautiful in person. It really is. And it does feel really good. Let's see. And it doesn't have one of those crazy smells that I hear a lot of people talk about. Yeah. So, and I was looking at her prices, and they run like $23 and $25, stuff like that, for her yarns. So go check her yarns out, her hand-dyed specialty yarns. You must be over the age of 18. YouTube is not affiliated with this in any form or fashion. This is sponsored by Crafty Cassie. Thank you so much, Cassie. That is sponsored by her and her only. And YouTube is not responsible for anything. And I will leave the rules below in the description box. Like I said, you must be a subscriber. You must leave a comment in the you must leave a comment in the comment section below in order for the YouTube random comment picker to pick you, because that's what they are. They're a comment picker, and they can't pick you if you don't leave a comment. So just leave a comment, and I do require a word, and I would like it to be Crafty Cassie. And I will also put it right below. Just type this word in and let her know how much you think her yarn is just beautiful. That would be very appreciative, because I'm sure she's going to read the comments. And if there's any yarn that you're looking at that you'd like, oh, I'd like to check that out, and you go to her blog or something, and you see her, you go to her store, you see some colors that you'd like another color of, just contact her. You could even contact her in the comment section here. You can contact her from her store. Either way will work. And just let her say, hey, I didn't see that you had any pink in your store. Can you get some pink? You know, whatever. Let's do our 365 days of prayer. It says, take courage. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and of good courage. Do not be afraid, nor be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Lord, my courage comes entirely from you. To face even a day without your protective presence is unimaginable. What should be equally hard is fathom is how I could possibly be afraid when you are with me. But I grow fearful all too often. Forgive my weakness. Father, life gets heavy as threats and challenges loom always before me. fear waits for an opportunity to pounce and takes it, leaving me pinned beneath the weight. You witness it all, then gently remind me of your presence. From this I take up courage, lay hold of strength, and move forward, boldly into whatever awaits. How can you know that the Lord is with you wherever you go? Because I think you can feel the Lord, and that's how you know. So guys, if you are from the U.S., enter the giveaway below and leave a comment. And like I said, some lucky winner is going to get this right here. This giveaway will end. I will put the date in there as well. It will end next Thursday. See, today is Thursday. Yes, it will end next Thursday. So you have 1 week to enter this giveaway. So good luck, everyone. And remember to live life, have fun. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.